Chiropractic therapy is another form of alternative therapy. Ngobeni is a chiropractor at the Chiropractic and Physiotherapy Health Center. She has been practicing for 9 years. She explained who a chiropractor is.
A chiropractor is a professional, it's a healthcare professional who deals with the biomechanics of the spine and the nervous system as well. So we deal with the connections between the spine and the nervous system and the musculoskeletal system.
Petheka takes us through the process of consultation.
We first need to do what we call a consultation, whereby we take the proper history of the patient, for example, finding out about how they got injured, if the issue is about an injury, and what their problem is, and to what extent it's come from. Then after a consultation, we do a set of examinations. In those examinations, it will give us an objective view of what the patient is going through. And then obviously after doing the examinations, that's when we discuss now the treatment protocol with them in terms of looking at what their diagnosis is. And then we do what we call adjustments. That also depends on the patient's history. Some we might find that we need to do further investigations, like send for X-ray or MRI in order to determine the extent of the injury.
Who needs to see a chiropractor?
If you have anything, any problem that has to do with your muscles, your joints, and the nervous system, which are your nerves, then just pop up to a chiropractor and find out what could be the nature of your condition. Everyone who has a spine can come see a chiropractor. There are various conditions that affect children as well. Babies, newborn babies, especially when they're coming out of the womb and now they're coming into the new world. There's a lot of changes that happen. There's also a lot of trauma that happens, which is why we deal with pregnant mothers, we deal with mothers after birth, we deal with children also after birth.
Because they seem more or less the same, people still don't get the difference between physiotherapy, which is not an alternative therapy, and alternative therapies such as chiropractic therapy.
We deal with nerve, joint, and muscle. So with physiotherapy, they deal more with the muscle and joint components.